Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Remove the fasteners. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF2956 filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Once the filter is fully flush with the edges, close the housing. When installing the housing, be sure that the two tabs are properly seated. Re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.